on! What the fuck, everyone? Let me watch. I've been nervous all day long. Like every year, the website get destroyed when the episode come out. Come on, unfair. Other websites already have the episode, but I want the official, the high quality FPS. But even the app doesn't work. Alright, I will be back. Oh, maybe I need to be premium tier 8. Ooh, log in? What the fuck? Okay, one sec. Whoa! Oh, I can't show this. I just noticed. This is the new Crunchyroll. Look different. And actually way better, cooler than before. You need to sign up for it first. Only cool people can have this. God. You know, this show have a unique fear. Um, how can I say it? The only show for me, I don't know for other people. When every episode came out, season before and season before, and I get nervous. I really do. I get nervous to the point I go work out. Uh, like my anxiety reached to the top. I just get scared. I am live. Are we alive? All of this was just a delusion. All this actually was not real. I didn't create a channel like reaction. I do reaction. Maybe I never did any reaction. Because my sister kids love to watch me on TV, so I kept doing it. And then someone told me, do a reaction for One Piece, please. I did. And then I decided to do other stuff. I did. And now here we are. No, wait, now here we are. After 5 months. Change. Okay, a lot change. Damn it, come on.